The 2018 Avalanche 300RE fifth wheel lets you take the comforts of home along with you. This premium RV has a front cap with high-gloss fiberglass, max turn technology, and a hitch assist backup mirror. The 300RE is outfitted with storage compartments, an all-in-one waterworks utility center, a 6-point auto leveling system, and runs on 50-amp service. The 300RE comes equipped with a rear ladder, a one-touch electric awning, and drop frame technology. The Avalanche 300RE's rear living area holds a trifold sofa sleeper, an entertainment center with a 50-inch LED TV and fireplace, a pair of armchairs, and carpeting in the slide-outs. A freestanding table and chair sits near the central kitchen. The kitchen is stocked with a microwave, 3-burner range and oven, a residential pantry, and an 18-cubic-foot refrigerator, a kitchen island with a sink and a high-rise faucet. You'll also find solid wood cabinetry, a decorative backsplash, and solid surface countertops. A master bathroom features amenities including a porcelain foot flush toilet, vanity sink, and a glass door walk-in shower. The 300RE's master bedroom features a king-size bed, a large cupboard with washer and dryer prep, and an oversized master closet. Visit us at TerryTownRV.com or give us a call at 616-426-6407. Our friendly, experienced salespeople make it their job to help you find the right RV at the right price. Our prices are the lowest in the nation, guaranteed, and our inventory is overflowing with top RV brands. You'll save when you shop with us.